1600-meter relay results for the girls. In second place is Team New Lothrop. First place is Lake Fenton, Team Lake Fenton. For the results for the boys in the 1600-meter relay, in second place is Team New Lothrop. And in first place is Team Lake Fenton. Congratulations, kids.
You done? Yeah. Text me when you get to school.